Hello tutorial brainers, first of all a big thank you to all of you for giving such a tremendous response to our videos. In this video, we are going to talk about Slideshow feature of Google Slides. So let's get started. Towards the top right, you have this present button, wherein if you just click on this present button, you will be able to start your presentation from the current slide. The shortcut is Ctrl and F5 in case of Windows. For Mac, it is Command and Enter. Beside this, you have drop down. In this drop down, you have two extra features. First one is Presenter View, and the next one we have is Present from the beginning. In case of Presenter View, let's say that you have another screen which is connected to your system, and if you want to share that screen, and in your screen, that is in your computer, if you want to refer notes, or you have some extra features, for example, previous slide, next slide, and so on, then you can have Presenter View. I have created a beautiful video on Presenter View which explains everything about Presenter View. So just click on this I button here, or I'll just put the link in the description below. Just go here and watch the video all about Presenter View. Let's come back to this present from beginning, and let's say you are trying to have a slideshow from very start of your Google Slides. In that case, you have to go to Present from Beginning, and the shortcut is Shift Ctrl F5 in case of Windows. For Mac, it is Command Shift and Enter. Click on this so that I can start my presentation from very beginning of the slide. And at the bottom, you have four areas. This is my first area, this is my second area, this is my third area, and this is my fourth area. In the first area, it is all about advancement to the slides, how you are going to advance to the next slide or previous slide. So you see here, it is the play button. If I just play now, what will happen is when I fix a particular time to my slideshow, it will automatically advance to the next line. Alright, and you see you have next button. Let me just show you. If I just pause this presentation, and if I click on this next button, it will go to next page. Similarly, you see it is going to next page, and if I want to go to the previous page, I have to click on this previous button, and you see it is going to previous slides. And in the second area, it contains the slides with details like name of the slides, and let's say that you want to go to a particular slide, you can just go from here. Let's say that I want to go to slide number 12, I can go from here. Now, talking about this particular area, it is all about increasing the interactivity with your audience. The first one is Q&A. So Q&A is part of Presenter View, wherein your audience can ask a question to you and you can reply to that question. So this is part of Presenter View, which you can see in that particular video, which I have just listed in this I button. And then we have notes. Let's say that before starting your presentation, you add that notes in your notes section. And once you start your presentation, it will open the Presenter View. So in case of Presenter View, you have to choose that Presenter View, or you can just click on this notes section, and you see it starts everything in Presenter View. You see at top it is showing Presenter View. Now if I just show you, it is speaker notes, and for slide number 12 it says second dwarf planet. You see this is the comment which I have put in my slides. Just to show you, what I can do is I can just close this, just press escape in your keyboard, go to slide number 12, and you see this is the comment which you have put in your slides. Alright, so let me just start from the current slide. So I was in slide number 12, so all I have to do is I have to press Ctrl and F5 so that I can start from the present slide. Alright, and you will notice that, let me load it, and you see it is showing slide number 12. So if you want to start from current slide, give Ctrl F5, and if you want to start from the beginning, give Shift Ctrl F5. Now the next tool is all about pointer. You see, if I click on this pointer, basically you can mark a particular area through pointer. So it is not exactly marking, it is just pointing to a particular area with a pointer. You see, if I just want to show this area, and if I want to show this area, I can just bring my cursor on the top of this particular area and I can just move here. So this will just bring a pointer and you can show it to your user. Similarly, captions are all about whatever you are speaking, it will give that particular option at either top or bottom. Now for me, I have given this option at top, so by default it will be always at bottom. You see, if you just click on this drop down, you can just place this at either top or bottom. If I click on this bottom, now at the bottom of the slideshow, you can see whatever I am speaking, that particular caption is available. Alright, let me come back here and let's talk about text size. So you have extra large, large, medium and small. So by default it will be small, and if I click on this small, now you see that the text is very small, and this is always better to keep small, but for a specific reason sometimes I keep it as large, because in this case I was just trying to show you the caption. That is the reason I had made to large or extra large. So if you just make it large, now you see that the captions are visible at the bottom. Now in the case of tips, you have all the Google Slides shortcuts which is available to you, and you can use all of these shortcuts. Now if you want to know most important shortcuts in Google Slide, I have also created a very good video on this. Just click on this I button or click on the description of the video and you can watch that video. Let me just close this. And the next one we have is settings. If you just click on the settings button, now you have auto add-ons feature and you can just change these. For example, at this moment, I've said that in every 2 seconds, the slide will move to the next slide. And if you want, you can change it based on your choice. And if you want to loop it, then you can just click on this loop button. So it will keep on running. For example, let's say that at start, it is slide number 1. It will go to slide number 2 and so on. And once it reaches to the last slide, it will again start from the slide number 1. So this is called as looping. And if you click on this more option, you can print this Google Slide presentation or you can download it in various formats. For example, you have PPT and PDF. You can also report to any abuse or copyright, which I'm not going to show. And you see, if you just want to come out of the full screen, you can just press on this particular exit full screen button. If you click on this, you'll come out of full screen. And once you want to exit your presentation, just click on this exit button and you are out of your presentation. If you thought that this video gave some value to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel in case you have not subscribed to our channel. If you want to understand Google Slides completely from start to end, we have a complete tutorial series about Google Slides. Just go to our playlist and watch those videos. Alright, so that's it in this video. Take care. Bye. With